How to install Visual Studio Code from Windows 11. First, go to the Start menu and click on Setting. Inside the Setting page, click on Apps and search for VS Code. After that, install the program as usual. The next step is to go into your C drive and click on the user folder. Select the folder with your computer username. Select VS Code folder and delete it. The last step is to enable hidden items and click on AppData after that roaming and delete the folder with the name code.